Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my host Dennis, and I'm a software developer and systems analyst at Afritech Innovation Solutions. And today I'm gonna take you about something called the Android quiz game app. I just want us to learn Android, but in a way by doing, and we just wanna develop an Android quiz game app. This is the app that will present user with questions. That's number one. Presents the user with a question that are randomly generated. Then number two, that's number one. Number two, user answers the app and then submits the answer by clicking submit button. By clicking the submit button. Three, on clicking submit, app tells user whether he or she is right, and he clicks next button to get next question. That is what we want to do, and that's briefly how our app will be. So first we're gonna have to do, under this we're gonna create a new Android project, and here you have A. That means you create new Android project and put the buttons and put the and design the interface. So that's it. Now we first stop, and this is how our interface is gonna be like. We're gonna have a text view here that will display our questions. We're gonna have the edit text where you type the answer. Then we're gonna have something like this that will display whether you are right or wrong. It is a text view. Then we have a text view to display the score. Then we have a text view to display the reference, and then we have a text view to display the number of times played. Then we have a button submit, and then we have a button to go to the next question. And that's briefly how our interface is gonna be like. So I'm welcoming you to be part of this tutorial. Thank you. So let's straight away go study. I'm gonna say file, new project. I'm already in the Android studio, and I say new projects, select empty activity. I go next, and I'm gonna call my name like maybe quiz test. Maybe smart quiz, smart examiner. Let me call it smart examiner. Android smart examiner, mobile smart examiner. Let me call it mobile examiner. That's my name. So I come here, I've changed my name to be like this, And if you come here, where is the location? It is not readable. I change the location. I'm going to go to my projects. I already saved in. Okay, I had made a folder called my projects, and okay, we can get a new project. Okay, I have a folder called my projects. I just created it recently, and I say okay, so it's gonna be, and it's not empty. No, let's create a new folder. New folder, say my projects 2021. If you already have one, you don't need to create it. And then we choose this one. The language is Java. We don't want Kotlin. We are targeting 99.8% of the devices on the Android environment. We say finish. So as you can see, it is taking some time to. So it's already been created. Oh my god, our project is here. So it called it my projects 21, but that's not what I wanted. So just want to get a new one. File, new project. Then I say next, and I call it mobile quiz. Then I say yeah, it is going to be in my projects, and I say finish. I think it is creating it, and you can see my project is soon loading and finishing up. So we just going to learn Android by doing by example. What's wrong with my screen? It's blinking here. Is it warning me my battery? Yeah, I don't think that. My screen has not been blinking like this. Okay, so we have our main activity Java, then we have our activity.xml, and I had shown you array long. I'd shown you that we're gonna have buttons. We're gonna have two buttons. So no, we're gonna have two buttons and then text view. So just gonna put this one. I make it relative layout. It's not coming. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, relative layout. Yeah, you say it's okay. Open up data. I don't want to update. Just disturbing me a lot. So since we have reached here, we have created our mobile quiz, and I think that's the lesson for today. We have seen our main activities here, and we see our interfaces here. It took us 8 seconds and 261 minutes to create the project. Now we come to the next session, whereby we're gonna create an interface. So